Hey guys, it's Hannah here and I am back with another video, and this time I'm doing an unboxing of the first ever Simply Gilded subscription box. And now let me tell you, when I first heard that Simply Gilded was going to have a subscription box, I was like, oh my goodness, I cannot believe it. I have loved Simply Gilded washi for over a year now, and it's definitely one of my favorite brands of washi and stationery items overall, and I love everything that Irene does, so I'm super excited about this. So of course I signed up to this box, and now finally I have also received it, and I do apologize that I have red nails and this pink does not really match my red nails today, but I hope you don't mind. Either way, sadly this box got a bit ruined in the envelope that it came with. It looks like the glue from the envelope got stuck to the box, so I'll try to get it off. And it's stuffed, that's why it keeps opening on both ends. So yeah, but I just wanted to take a quick look at the box first. This theme is the Hummingbird. It's called the Hummingbird box, I guess. You can kind of see the theme from the box, and I'm really happy that they make like custom boxes for each box. At least I think that's what they will be doing. I think that's really awesome. Simply Gilded box, volume 1. And on the back side here is the logo and the website. And yeah, it's just, I'm so sad it's kind of ruined though, because I am gonna save this box, but hopefully I'll be able to reuse it too. So I'm just gonna open it because the stuff really wants to get out, as you can see. So here we go. Oh my goodness, it's falling out. That was everything. Oh my gosh, everything is so pretty. Okay, so the first thing that's not really part of this theme is a washi that she brought back, and this is the Cotton Candy Skinny Bow washi. She released this a while back. Sadly, I didn't pick it up back then. So I'm really happy that she included this. I'm not really sure why, if every box got this, or if it was like only a certain amount of people, I can't remember. So it has this kind of silver holographic look to it. The bow is really cool, but what I love about it the most is the colors. This kind of light pink, you almost see it better on the roll, and it fades into this kind of light bluish toned color. This reminds me of the sky sometimes, especially during winter if there are like cloudy days, but the sun is kind of shining through a little bit. So actually today when I was outside, this is what the sky looked like, and I just think it was so gorgeous. If I would have realized that sooner, I would have gotten the original one, which was with a regular bow design, but I'm so happy to finally have this one now at least. So yeah, that's the first item. Then let's see, I am gonna take a look at the card. This is so gorgeous. Dedication, it says here. This is one of her regular kind of journaling cards that she has, and I always love those. So this is, I love the colors. It's so colorful, kind of tropical too. So maybe I'll save these more for summer. And oh, I should definitely look at this. The November Simply Gilded box. And it has everything here. So, oh my gosh, it's a little notebook. It's so cute, and it's gold foil too. Oh, work hard, play hard. Oh yeah, it is quite thin. I don't know if this is supposed to be for like a traveler's notebook. It might be. I am not really sure of the size, but I like that it's thin because it's very portable that way. I mean, you could even put it inside your planner in one of the pockets. That's how kind of small and tiny it is. And that's really, actually I really like that. Yeah, really like this. Okay, so then for the first time ever, she has started doing stickers, and I am so excited about this because stickers are awesome, and Simply Gilded, they're awesome. So this is like awesomeness overload. So, ooh, look at the backing. That's really pretty too. I love this really kind of pale pink. That's so pretty. So, ooh, these are thick. It does remind me of the quality of marmalade stickers actually, because it's like really thick and nice. So let's take a closer look here. Today, important, remember to buy those nice banner stuff. We have some deco hummingbirds and some what says here? Flourish. Oh, that's gorgeous. And the florals and these functional stuff and the full boxes. I don't know if I'll ever be able to use these because they're just too pretty. Totally, totally gorgeous. Okay, so I am gonna save the washi for last because that's my favorite thing, but she also included this. This is so awesome. This is actually a magnet. Look at this. This is so cute. It's almost like a business card, but it's just the backing. I love pretty backing. Oh, this is heavyweight. This is nice. Oh, look at that. So it's a magnet, gold and this pale pink, and it's a cute little bow. I love this. Irene herself, kind of showed that you could put this on your Rascal cart, and I have actually bought myself one of those, so I am planning to put this one on there. It's gonna look gorgeous. Love it. So, so pretty. So, getting into the washi now, there are 5 rolls, which I think will be a standard in each box. I mean, washi is what she's most known for anyway, so that's not really a surprise. Let's take a look here, shall we? I see that there are 3 regular sized rolls and 2 smaller ones. Maybe I should do it like this. And there is a bow washi. I mean, how awesome. Actually, there's 2. There's a skinny one, there's a regular one, and then there's 3 totally unique designs, which I'm so excited to see. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna open all of them and I'm gonna show you one at a time. So the first one here might be one of my favorites based on the sneak peeks. We'll see now when I actually have them in my own hands, but it kind of reminds me of like a tree. I think this is so pretty and unique. I love it so much. And look, there's even like occasional hearts. Do you see that? Kind of in the veins of the tree. I think it looks so cool. This one will be really versatile as well, because it doesn't necessarily have to be used with these since it's on a kind of white background and it's gold. So I'll probably end up using this one the most, I'm pretty sure, but we'll see. Then we have a floral one, and it's on this gorgeous turquoise background. Either it's peonies or roses. A little hard to tell. It's kind of watercolor. It's really nice though. Oh my gosh. This is so gorgeous. I do think that the turquoise bow washi that she's released previously, I think that might actually work well with this design. I hope so, because that would be really nice as well. I mean, we did get a bow here, but it's nice to have a lot of washi of similar colors to be able to match, since I'm a matchy girl, as you already know. And yes, the bow washi, everyone's favorite. Oh my gosh, mine had 2 layers on it. I just took off 1 layer, but it's okay. This one is like double protected. That's how important it is and how special it is. It needs 2 layers. There we go. No more layers? No, we're ready to go. So this one, I can see why people would love so much, because look. I remember when Irene first sneak peeked this on Instagram and I was like, oh, hallelujah! I love this one so much. The watercolor, the color combo of the pinks and the blues and the turquoise, and the very, very bright yellow gold foil. I love this one so much. It is probably my favorite one in this box because it is simply gorgeous. And to the skinnier ones, we do have the skinny bow one, which looks more to the pinkish purplish side of color. This one had a lot more turquoise in it, so let's see if I'm right. No, it's pretty much the same background, it's just different bow. That's really nice. These skinny ones are really good because I really like the size of these washis compared to... I do like the regular size, but this size is also really useful, and I use that one a lot too, so this is awesome. Lastly, we have a washi with a lot of wording on it, which I'll read it out for you as soon as I can get it open. Alright, let's see here. The first one says, get it done. And the second one says, work goals. Work hard, play hard, and then it starts over. So there's some beautiful watercolor turquoise in the background once again, some florals, and the hummingbirds again. I really like these. That's so awesome. So being a matchy girl, what makes me the most happy is that all of the washi, actually not just the washi, but everything in the box coordinates and everything works together so that you can actually have a finished spread by only using the stuff in the box. That is really awesome. Although I am probably gonna hoard the stickers because they're too pretty to use, but that's okay. Alright guys, so this was everything from the November Simply Gilded box. I am in love with everything. I love Irene's stuff as usual, and I cannot wait to get my hands on the December box. But now I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, you can give it a thumbs up if you want to, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now!